I've been really pleased to speak at the launch of the Bevan People's Charter for Health today. The Charter is absolutely aligned with the principles of the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act, so putting citizens at the centre of their care, involving people, finding out what matters to them, not necessarily what's the matter with them, making sure that we're thinking about using our resources in new ways and not immediately jumping to medical responses to treating ill health. There's a whole wealth of other things out there which are actually more effective at keeping people well. So a focus on relationships, on connecting communities, on ensuring that there's access to public open space and activities for people to become involved in, tackling air pollution. All of these things are as important in terms of keeping people healthy and well as anything our National Health Service can do. That's why it's so important that we're working together in an integrated way to make sure that the decisions that we take today collectively are going to be in the best interests of the health and well-being of our current and future generations.